Do you find that when you copy and paste data in Excel, the formatting often gets messed up? This can be frustrating. But fortunately, there are ways to copy and paste without changing the format. In this video lesson, I'll show you how to do that. Hello there, welcome to Excel Demi, where you can learn Excel and Excel VB related problems. This is Sabrina Ayon, and today we will learn how to copy and paste without changing the format in Excel. So let's get into the video. Let's say we have a dataset of different fruits together with information on their market prices per kilogram, how much each person purchased, and the overall price of the related fruits. The sum of the price per kilogram and the quantity is the total price. Here C5 into D5 is the formula for each cell in column E, which is our total price. Select the dataset's first cell that you want to copy. I select on the heading Fruit. To pick all the rows and columns, hold the fill handle tool with the mouse and drag it, or press Ctrl+Alt+N together. I choose the entire set of data in this instance. If you want to select the entire column only, then choose the first cell, then use Ctrl+Shift down arrow. If you want to select the entire row only, choose the first cell in the row, then press Ctrl+Shift+N. Click on the right mouse button and choose Copy. Alternatively, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C or choose Copy from the Excel toolbar. It is located on Home tab on the upper toolbar's leftmost side. After the appropriate cells are successfully copied, you will see that the boundary of the cells is marked with a dotted line. Now we will see how we can paste the copied cell without changing the format. Click on the chosen cell where you want to paste. It can be on that worksheet or another worksheet. I'm choosing a cell on a different worksheet. So just go to the Home tab. Under Clipboard Group, click on Paste option. You'll have those choices. From the Paste menu, choose Paste, Keep Source Formatting, or Keep Source Column Width. Using the Keep Source Column Width option is best. The formula, format, and column width of the source cell are all copied. Other choices do not maintain the column width. The format of the copied cells will be preserved when you paste them, or choose Paste Spatial from the menu. You will see a dialog window similar to this one. Choose All from the Paste menu and None from Operation. Keep the Skip Blanks and Transpose tools unchecked. Click OK. The identical outcome as before will be obtained. If you want to paste specific parts of the source cell and not the entire thing, this Paste Spatial dialog box will be very helpful. You may use this method to paste without modifying the format if you don't want to use the previous one. Choose the first cell in the dataset that you wish to paste. Click your mouse right button. You will have choices like this. From the Paste option, select Paste. You'll see that everything has been pasted, even the format, just like the previous one. Instead, you might select the Paste Spatial. Select the option to paste, Keep Source Formatting, or Keep Source Column Width. Or you may select Paste Spatial once again from the list of choices. You'll see the same dialog box and obtain the same outcome as before. So we just select all, form paste menu and non-form operation menu and click OK. And that's it. If you don't want to use any of the two procedures, you can use the keyboard shortcut. Select the cell you wish to put the dataset into. Press the keyboard keys Ctrl+V. You'll see that all the formats and formulas has been pasted, similar to the previous ones. You may enter, or the copied cell's bottom right corner will have a little box labeled Control. You can use this. Click on the Control. The previous box is still there for you to see. You can use any of those methods you like. Also, you can download the practice workbook from the description box below, so you can follow along and practice with the examples. Hope this will help you. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedback, please let us know in the comment section, or you can have a glance at exceldemy.com. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing for more content like this.